y'all? So we are here at the shop at Soul Speed Performance in Austin, Texas. They just drove the Giulia in, as you saw, and they got on the lift now, and they're about to start the downpipe swap. So just a little bit about Soul Speed. These guys are probably the best automotive performance repair shop in town, in Austin area, hands down. I actually got referred to them through a buddy of mine who has a track car. They did a turbo swap or something with his car, and so yeah, I got referred to them. And when it was time to get work done on the Giulia, I was like, hey, let me take it to the best in the business. So I'm over here at Soul Speed getting it done, and they're kind enough to let me hang out all day because I don't have a ride back while they work on the car. So I'm just gonna hang out in their lobby and pretty much just chill until the work's done. And inside their bay here, I don't want to intrude, but if you look inside their bay, they've got McLarens, BMWs, all sorts of stuff. I think you can see back there, they got 2 McLarens on the shelf. My Alfa's back there. I think that's a Corvette up there under the cover. They got a classic car under there. They're working all top high-end stuff. And so this is an awesome shop. Happy and excited to be here. Can't wait to see the results. What's up, y'all? So the old catalytic converter is out now. This thing is huge. Look at that. And it's heavy too. Easily like 20-25 pounds maybe. Good news is it's pretty clean inside. You know, there's not like a bunch of carbon gunk or buildup. I was kind of surprised by that. You know, it means the motor, spark plugs, and everything's healthy for the most part. JB4 is on there doing a good job. It's not running super rich or anything. So, you know, looks real clean. Plus the car only has 40,000 miles on it, but still, this thing is absolutely gigantic. And look at that crazy bend that the exhaust flow has to take once it leaves the turbo versus the new downpipe. Much smoother flow. Obviously still a bend, but much smoother all the way through here and out. So obviously the exhaust gases are going to flow a lot better through this than through that. So crazy. It's cool to see that though. So, you know, not only going to get better flow, but also reducing a lot of weight. This thing has to weigh like 25 pounds, and the new one is probably 5 pounds at the max. So, you know, sprung weight at the front of the car is always a good thing to get rid of. But yeah, can't wait. Shout out to the awesome technician too for getting us through this process and putting up with me. And here's a cool shot underneath the car. Back into the turbo right there. Wow. Super cool. All right, guys, downpipe is in. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you can see it. Look at that. Put the heat shield back on there. Awesome. It's beautiful. You can barely see it though. Looks still looks kind of OEM and stock, which I like. All right, let's hear this start up. And whenever you're ready, man. Y'all, so just left the shop, just left Soul Speed Performance. Huge shout out and thumbs up to you guys over there. Awesome shop, very professional, very courteous people. I want to just, you know, take my time to say that in this day and age, it's hard to find really good customer service anywhere, especially in the auto service and repair industry, and Soul Speed takes the cake. If you're in Texas, if you're in Austin, Texas, Central Texas, if you're in Texas and can make the drive to Austin to get something important worked on your vehicle, aftermarket or repair, take your business to Soul Speed Performance. Tell them that I sent you. Trust me, money well spent. Anyway, car's idling right here. I just wanted to do this piece really quick before I do the driving review, because I've got about an hour to drive home. I just want to show you guys there are no lights on the dash. All right, no check engine lights. Car's been running probably now for about 20 minutes continuously. No check engine lights. Downpipe is installed, and that is the defouler right there. So as far as we know, the defouler is working just fine. Once again, got to put more miles on the car to really tell if the check engine light's going to pop up. But right now, it's working just fine. Sitting here at idle with the car warmed up, it sounds just a touch louder than without the downpipe. Just a touch louder than with the stock cat. So at idle, it sounds great. Just sitting here warmed up, very nice, very aggressive, but does not sound too loud or overbearing. Like, this is awesome. This is exactly what I want. I didn't want something obnoxious. I want to be able to sit in a parking lot at a nice place or in a nice area or a neighborhood or whatever, and be tolerable and quiet when I need it to be. So I'm gonna set the phone down and do a couple revs here with the car fully warmed up so you guys can see what it sounds like fully warmed up with a couple revs.